Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a profile on your Netflix account. So in here, I have already on my Netflix, and let's say that you also want to delete a profile that you no longer use on Netflix like I did now. So here is what you need to do. So I'm going to do this on mobile. You need to click on your profile on the top right corner, this one. And then after that, here click on the manage profiles options, and in here you need to choose the profile that you want to delete and click on the pencil icon on that profile. And then after that, after you click on that, in the bottom in here there will be an option to delete profile. Just click on that option and then click on delete profile, and all done. The profile has been deleted from your Netflix account. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.